If you have e-commerce website and shopping cart that is going to be connected to Positive, once a customer places an order and pays for it, it'll be shipped down to the Positive e-commerce web order. And if we look here under pending, under web orders, we see we have a web order that came in, and they come in usually about every 15 minutes. They're downloaded from the pulled website shopping cart into Positive as something that is fully paid, and as you can see the deposit here. Our objective is to turn this into an actual sales order or an invoice and ship the product out to the customer. So it's the customer that generates the need. All we do is fulfill it for them and ship it out. We don't have to invoice them for it because it's already been paid by the deposit.